Morning, everybody. It's 8:38. Excuse me, on this last day of May of 2023, and this is video number 1776. Quite a heretic number. We had overnight. We had the China PMI come in very soft. It was actually expected to be 49. Actually 51.4 versus last week's 49.2. Not only did it miss the big number, but it came in at 48.8, which gave us another down week with an expectation of almost 3 points to the upside, and that turned a lot of markets down. Loretta Mester from the Cleveland Fed, she's a non-voter. She came out yesterday or this morning and said that she sees no reason not to continue to raise rates. So we'll see how that goes, but it certainly isn't helping it. Also, Berkshire Hathaway increases their stake in Oxy up to 25%. On the earnings side, we had some real debacles. AMBA missed. It closed yesterday at 81.96, and that was up about 4.25. This morning it is trading down near 65, down about $16 or almost 19%. They beat by a nickel, revenues in line, guidance lower. Below consensus. We had HP, which beat by a 4 cents, but missed on revenues, guided in line, and fiscal year in line. None of that in-line stuff helped at all. The stock is 29.07 down, 186. HP Enterprise, 14.22 down $1.30 or 8.5%. They beat by 3, missed on revenues, guided in line, revenues below consensus, and earnings in line. Let's see. We have Tech, TECK. If you remember a couple of months ago, this one was about to be taken over, and somebody somewhere in the world decided that it shouldn't be, and that deal actually got canceled. The stock today is 39.38, up $1.28 or 3.4%, with Glencore looking for a possible higher bid for TECK. So that's a little higher. Microsoft up $1.50. Piper Sandler maintained overweight, raised the price target to 400 from 348. American Airlines up 37 cents on raised guidance. Okay, and last but not least, we have AAP. AAP is Advanced Auto, and they've been having a great couple of years earnings-wise, with people fixing their cars and buying used cars and keeping them longer. But that one missed. They missed by $1.84. Revenues were in line. Guidance was below consensus, as were revenues. That one, let me just get you a fresh quote, because when I made my notes, it was 83.5. Since then, I saw it down at 82.5. And let's see. Right now, it's 80.77. That's down 31.43 or 28%. The other thing that I'm noticing on the tape is that all the chip stocks are lower, and a lot of the big names. Tesla is down about $2. Amazon is actually up a nickel, so not that one. AMD lower, Nvidia lower, Netflix lower. Netflix, it's down 1%, which is in these markets has really been not much of anything. Okay, last but not least, we have the following during the day today. We have the uh, Chicago PMI at 9:45. We have the job openings, the JOLTS at 10. So we'll have to see how those numbers come in. And then at 2 o'clock, we have the Fed beige book, which is very often market moving. The 210 spread is back to a negative 77. What's interesting there is that for the last several weeks, it's been hanging between 50 and 55. So up here at 77, it shows that things look like they might be getting a little tough. Broadcom, AVGO, also down 12. Alphabet down under $1. One of ours, SoFi, we bought the options at 74 cents. They're fives. This morning they're trading $1.30 in the money. I've already sent out my sell 50% good till canceled on the 100% up rule, and we'll see how that goes. As far as the futures, we have all of the grains down. We have all of the metals, all of the energies down. We have even though it looks like it's going to be a down month for it, gold, which was up $14, is up another $1.80 this morning, up about 13 cents in the silver. Copper still lower on, I'm assuming, all world economy questions. S&P is down 18 and a half. NASDAQ is down 66. Dow is down 101. And excuse me, and the Russell is down $8, which is substantial. $8 is about 0.5%. So the U.S. dollar is up 26 cents. Bitcoin giving up a major piece of its up 1155 yesterday, down 685. We have Ethereum down 44, which is 2.5%. That's pretty horrendous. And the bonds continuing higher. They were up 1 5/8 yesterday. They're now up 10.30. For those of you who were taught fractions in school, yesterday was 1 5/8. Today is 10.30, which is 5/16, which is just a shade over a quarter. All right, folks, I'll be back later.